Hi guys, good afternoon. At dahil pinag-day off po ko ngayon ng manager namin, ay pupunta po kami ng
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know it's gone, now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life. Baby, let it be, enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life. Of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
Dito na kami guys.
Mama, park.
Oh, maglakaw mo dito. Tara, pagmana na.
Park.
Ang ganda guys, oh. Wow. Tapos dun sa ano, sa bandang dulo ay may ano po doon, may palaruan. Na. Yata, oh. Hi, si Heidi. Hi. Si Heidi. Wala, hi. Excited. Nagmamadali na eh. Go. Go. Ang kagandahan lang kasi dito sa New Zealand guys, mapalaki man o maliit yung mga park dito ay wala po kayong mababayaran na parking fee at entrance fee. Libre lang po lahat, mapabata man o matanda ay talagang mag-e-enjoy po sa mga park nila dito. Hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo guys, hanggang sa muli. Paalam!